Have you ever pictured using a solar system that will last you 8 years plus? Like I'm talking no power outage, no fuel drama, waving a permanent good guy to anything electricity. You're at the right place. This is a 20 kilowatt C-watt lithium ion battery. This lithium ion battery equals 8 pieces of either the dry cell or the wet cell battery. This is a 48-volt battery, which means it can only be connected to a 48-volt system. This lithium battery, just like every other one, powers a certain amount of load, which means you cannot add anything and everything you want to be added on the battery. Empower your building's energy efficiently with C-Watt Energy Deep Cycle Lithium Battery. This lithium battery ensures robust energy storage, giving it a longer backup time, featuring advanced lithium iron phosphate cells. It supports up to 6,000 cycles of recycling for long-term stability, leading to slower DOD discharge and longer lifespan, up to 8 years and more, depending on how you use it. This battery is ideal for residential and industrial applications. It allows parallel connections up to 6 units, maximizing storage capacity. For further information, send us an SMS on any of our social media platforms and we will attend to you ASAP. Make sure you like this video, follow us on every social media platform this video finds you, and see you next time. Ciao!